Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and of course, we will be checking out each of these assets out one after the other using our trend trading strategy. There are some signals that we have been on for some days now, so we're going to be checking them out, and of course, we will also look out for what is happening in the chart so that we will know what we should go for if you are yet to pick up a trade. Okay, so quickly before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Just like you guys have known, okay, what I love using, the strategy I love using is the trend trading strategy because it helps me to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. There will be pullbacks in between, but that does not mean we are not still within the same trend. Okay, so right here I'm on 15-minute time frame, and this is GaineX 1200. This particular asset actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and since it's unable to break out above it, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. You can see this yellow color change to a red color and give us the red arrow. The red arrow signifies a sell signal, an entry point for a sell signal, and of course it goes along with the trend at this point, and this is coming from a major resistance zone, so we should obey it, right? Okay, so this should be our entry points, while this can be our stop loss. But check it out, this has given us a lot of profits already if you are taking on this trade, and right now this is still going to sell more, most especially if it breaks out above this. For now, we are looking at it to, we want it to target this region. Once it gets there, if it breaks out from there, then it's still going to sell more. If it does not, then anything can happen around there. So, but for now, this is still selling. It is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GaineX 999. GaineX 999 actually started an uptrend right from here, gave us an uptrend signal, and of course, a buy signal. And this is happening at the support region, okay, major support zone, and of course this has been buying since then. Right now this has actually got into this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then we are most likely to see it switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So let's have an eye on that so that we will know what to go for whenever we are trading. Now let's check out PNX 1200. For PNX 1200, this had been on uptrend right from this support region, but got to this resistance zone and stood for a while, but went back up to get to this resistance zone. If it should break out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend and sell. But before you can say it will sell, make sure it gives the right signal before it will sell, and make sure it is not breaking out from this resistance zone, and make sure it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, then right from there, then it can now sell. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from here, then we expect it to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, if it sells. Okay, so this is very important. It's going to be a long selling opportunity. That is if it does not break out above this resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, it means that it's still going to buy more, and you will be checking out the next resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's check out PNX 999. This is PNX 999. Right from this resistance zone, they started selling, even though the market the market movements was somehow, it had been somehow for some time right now. Okay, not, I don't really like the movement anyway. I don't really like the movement, but it's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, there are so many pullbacks in between. Okay, but this has actually got into this support region, and it will be trying it out again. If it should break out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back, switch into an uptrend fully and buy right from there. But for now, this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now, on a final note, let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 actually got to this resistance zone. If you should remember, I also dish out the signal on this particular asset in the Telegram channel and got activated at this point and sold for a while, had the pullback, and of course, still selling at the moment. It's still selling at the moment because it is yet to achieve all the TPs, but it has achieved TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we are expecting it to achieve TP6. Okay, so this is very, very important. If it now breaks out below this, then we are most likely to find it around there. But this is the last TP which I dropped in the Telegram channel, TP6. So it is almost achieving it. Okay, so this is how beautiful trend trading strategy is. You just need to understand how it works, know when to when the trend is switching from one trend to another. Check it out if it is from the right zone, either the resistance zone or the support zone. Okay, so if it is happening within the right zones, then definitely you are good to go. Just set out your entry point, then of course set your stop loss also, and you are good to go. Sit tight and relax and watch it unfolding itself right before you. Okay, so that is it. That is what we have been doing all this while. I think we've been able to make trading very easy for us by following this strategy. Okay, so if you too also follow this strategy, you are most likely to make the best out of it. But first, you need to understand how it works. Secondly, you need to practice it very well, learn and practice it very well. So once you master it very well, then you can now go ahead and try it out on your real accounts. This is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel or to my Telegram channel, kindly do that right away so that you can get notified whenever I drop an update or a training video like this. Okay, and on the Telegram channel, I also drop updates for you guys, and also I drop free signals for you guys right there. So do not miss out on any of these. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.